job. Like a banker.
Men like that only date girls who wear Bruno James. I can't afford things like that.
You find a man who can afford these clothes. You are good to him. Then he buys them for you. This is how the world works.
You want me to sell myself for some clothes?
You sell yourself for nothing. If you must be a whore, at least be a high-priced one.
What can I help you? What? Don't go crazy on this one, Wei.
What the fuck's going on?
Dog Eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬, everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發. Listen up! We're hitting his sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks boost to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gaton in a shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course, I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there, and we need Suwa alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eyes' biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed?
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun. And use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eyes' drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around. You wait for my signal to attack.
What? You seen the new carriers?
Good ones?
Silver. Thinking of getting one for my girl.
And what Dog Eyes pays you?
Well, what's that?
I know him. Part of Winston's crew. Fucking get him. Hey, what's his problem? Did you hear? Can you do something? Who the fuck is this? 睇唔睇到啊？ It's Winston's gang!
知唔知個死字點寫啊？
劈開佢！你老母想自殺打咗快啲啊！你冇理！殺佢！劈開佢！哇！瞄準啊！冇！哇！屌啊！佢得唔到口嘅，要趕住趕手。Hey, who are you? I think I got one. Y'all the motherfuckers gonna die. 死啊！仆街！搞我啊！行撚開啦！仆街！放手啊！我中啦！快！打撚到佢殘廢為止！打死佢！收佢條屌！快啲快幫我！我哋可以做個好啲啊！殺晒佢哋！你要學校打佢啊！打柒你咯！見唔到我㗎啦，廢柴！你冇機會啊！打啦！你以為我校打你啊？過嚟啊！我驚你老母！你老母啊！打柒你咯！打柒手啊！夠薑你就開拖啦，快啲點佢老母啊！我哋一齊打佢，唔使驚佢㗎，一齊嚟打殘佢哋！喂，快啲快幫拖！佢哋過去先啊！上啊！打佢！打咪打啦！我食兩萬你啊！
Shit. Fuck. Siwa, you're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive! Stop! Alright, light it up! Come on! Stop! Goddamn
仆街走啦喂！你俾你 Run！
Fuck!
Shit. Fuck's sake.
The dog tag is gonna kill you, asshole!
Get over here! Come on, quick!
Guys! Help me! Fuck!
Shit!
I said, don't move!
Fucking cops. Are you fucking done?
Okay, I'm done. What are you doing?
Shut up.
You know what you just did? You're dead. You're dead.
Look, I'm not afraid of dog eyes.
Dog eyes? Motherfucker, I get paid by Dog Eyes, but all my product goes to Big Smile Lee. You wanna fuck with him?
I just did.
You dumb bastards got any idea how badly this is going to fuck things?
Hey, ask me if I care.
My product is what makes the whole triad work.
I don't give a shit about your product. And you keep talking about it, I'm liable to forget I promised to bring you in alive.
What the hell is wrong with you?
You know what? I'm sick of listening to you.
So drop me off with some real gangsters.
Or you'll get to meet a few.
Damn. Used to be this organization knew what he was doing. Now it's full of crazy motherfuckers and choir balls.
That was fucking crazy! See you. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.
got gems. I've got a remedy for all your problems. You are your enemy, we are your friends. And we are clarify your paint with your pens. I've got dreams, I've got gems. I've got a remedy for all your problems. We are your enemy, we are your friends. And we are clarify your paint with your pens. Come on, they say that men are cursed. I say that.
You can't be serious. Are you trying to insult me? That car's crap.
Let me fix my car up, then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral. Not much. You? How's your dad? I told you! I got something to take care of first, alright? Coming out soon? I'll tell you about it later. Pick you up on the corner?
Shit. Naz.
How's the race second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy Wei Shin? Supposed to be Sun On Yi.
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or on the cover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is.
I'm 18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Tell people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. He races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Yes.
Inspector, it's Wei. Hotshot's gonna race Ace. And he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Not yet. And one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Naz suspect I'm a cop.
Naz Singh, the drug smuggler?
Know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guy is playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No! I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Naz myself.
All right, Wei, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
news will blow your mind.
Hey, what can I do for you? I used to own 7 cars in this town. Now work here. Never invest all your money into Mencius. Trust me.
Hey, can you help me, mister? Yeah, you see, my car's having a problem, and you look like you might be able to fix it.
All right, give it up. You won't catch me, asshole. 佢，喐佢老母啦！點做？捅佢老味啊！哇！夠膽過嚟啊！俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢，唔見血唔好停啊！埋佢單啦，喐佢啦！係啊，激佢啊！懟入佢連夾撐啊！掂啊！我拳頭我自己都驚啊！中哇！埋！
Affirmative，收到。